Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a new page in Microsoft Word. So let's do it. Open Microsoft Word and click blank document. Now go to Insert and click here on blank page. And here you have your new page. If you click again, you have another page. If you click again, another page. I will show you a shortcut to do this in keyboard. Please press the Ctrl and Enter. Press and hold Ctrl and press Enter. And that's it. Thanks for watching my video and have a nice day. Bye bye.